Hey everybody, it's me, Denise, here at Lily Pop Love. It's day 8, it's Friday, it's day 8, it's Friday, it's day 8. So I'm feeling like we're going to get a project. I'm hoping we're going to get a project. But we won't know until we see what she's got and all her cuteness.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 8, and it's time to find out what we have in our wonderful box of celebration. You'll notice I have the elf helping me today.
Aww.
So that means
she
something.
is the elf because her neck goes where the elf's head goes.
All right, we're looking for day 8.
Super cute.
Here it is right here.
Yes, here it is right here.
Ooh, I wonder what this is going to be.
Is this cuddle?
All right, let's open it up. Careful, careful. I try to be so careful, you know. I know that I'm not the only one out there that saves bags. And I know you guys, some of you guys are all going to save the bags. All right, let's see what we got.
Not cuddle.
Of course, we just got this. And now we have a pattern for you.
Remember,
to make
we got
Starlight
this
table runner. And it also includes, this is polytherm fleece, which means that you can put hot dishes and things like that on it. So it's super cool to use to make a runner, and let me show you them. So you have enough fabric to make this runner. And if you're like me and you have a really long table, you can make one more. Or if you just want to make this little pot holder to set your hot dishes on, or include it as a gift at Christmas, this is a great Christmas gift. And because you're getting it on day 8, you really have lots of time. So I am super excited about day 8. I love a quick runner for gifts. I give a lot of them. And so I wanted to include that in here for you guys with this polytherm fleece bozo foam. So it's a great day. And what I'm going to do now is put these together, and I'm going to hand these off to my elf, and she's going to show you everything you need to know to make your own Starlight table runner. Here you go.
Here she goes.
Hi, everybody.
I haven't watched the elf yet. I really need to watch the elf. She's going to teach me something. So this polytherm fleece, it is a 18 by 62. It says that instructions for a bozo polytherm fleece must use 2 layers of polytherm fleece with the heat reflected facing outward. 2 layers on both sides if making an oven mitt. 2 layers facing in either direction to reflect the heat. If using to insulate, 1 layer can be used. We recommend 2 facing inward for better insulation. I guess if you was making like a little lunch box. All right. So this was yesterday's. It's gonna have all that cute fabric, that light blue, blue-green. And this says that the table runner is 16 by 48. The block is 12.5 by 12, 12.5 unfinished, 12 finished. And you need 1 package of 5-inch squares and 3/4 yard background and 1.5 yards of backing. Do you need bozo polytherm, the reflective fleece, if you're just doing a table runner? I know you would for the bonus project of the oversized hot pad. I know that. But in my head, I'm thinking I wouldn't use it for the table runner. I would save it for if I wanted to make oven mitts or hot plate, you know, the oversized hot pads. I would want to save that. I don't know. That's just me. This is super cute though. So y'all go get this pattern and let's sew it up. Maybe it might be a short project for me. They're all an hour long. Thank you guys for coming and see me. I appreciate you watching along, and like and subscribe if you want to. It helps me out. And thanks for joining along in this journey of 25 days. Day 8. Tomorrow's day 9. But this makes me happy. We get a project we can work on, and that'll be super fun. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye.